Hi, thanks for joining me. It's Roxy and hashtag Watch Roxy Paint. And I've been working on this painting for a little bit over a month, maybe. This is birds on a lattice. And I have this tree in my backyard on my patio. And when it blooms, it has these beautiful purple tube flowers. And my birds like to sit in that tree and then they jump on the fountain. And I just thought it'd be fun to paint it. And a challenge because I'm doing the background first. So I'm doing this in time lapse now, and I started it, I think, in my studio. And I just wanted to like place my birds where my main bird's gonna be, and then on a lattice, this vine is growing in the back and in the front, and so it looks like this painting is going to be like today when we're done, it'll look like, oh, it could just be done. No, it's not. I'm literally just painting the background right now. So I'm putting in the leaves are quite dark, and I'm using phthalo green here, and my whole point is just to get the lattice in and dark leaves in the background. And then later I do slow down a bit because I managed to get out of my patio and actually paint. I think I started this painting while it was still raining in California. And I wanted it to oxidize quite a bit, so I've let it sit for a couple of weeks so that I could paint directly over it with the new, like, lighter color leaves. And so anyway, I hope you enjoy the painting. I love my patio, and I love sitting out there and just watching these birds, and it inspires me. I have lots of plants.
Hey, it's Roxy, and this is my studio today. Yes, I've been waiting for this weather. So, and I've been working on this painting right here, Birds on the Trellis.
Right, so I make it back to the patio. This is still not the end of the painting. This was another day on the patio. This took me quite some time to paint, but I try to get as close as I could, like zoom in so you could see what I'm doing. And there will be a couple of places where I'll zoom in all the way, just briefly. The video's already 10 minutes long because there were so many videos that I spliced together. But this is my fountain. You see the lattice in the background? And I can't wait for it to bloom. It's looking like it's gonna bloom, but I'm waiting on these flowers. Anyway, I hope you enjoy my little painting. I really, I don't know, I like leaves and plants, and I have another one coming after this, and then I have two large paintings I want to do this year. One's a landscape and one's on my patio, so we're gonna get to that. There's a lot going on, so I was so pleased to finish this painting. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it that you either just watch or subscribe. It's all right, and either way, I'm just happy that there's people out there who enjoy my little birds and landscapes and flowers. So wherever you are, I hope you have a great day. Bye.